Yeah, engineer. Though she's the one who is teaching me how to do the last before the packaging. And you see she putting more anointing in the you see, she one knows better than me. You see, she's more specialized in that area. How blessed the prophet is. Yeah. See, she's under the trees where she's finalizing the operation. Though you are eating anointed beans, you've seen yourself that the power is being transferred to the beans. When everybody does the work, we do the fine choosing, the fine operation. I know it's a lot of work, but we'll do it. Every beans that comes to you, we're going to touch it like this, we're going to prepare like this, we're going to select them like this. This is the way we're choosing to be at the farm. Yes, Prophet Ellen Justin and his wife busy farming for the operation of the task that be given and to able to achieve God's assignment. Join us as you continue to see. Please make sure to order your anointed beans. Your life never be the same. It is done. It is done. It is done. It is done. You can see yourself that you're doing the selection, the last selections. Look at the hand, anointed hand, doing the last selection to choose everything that is not for you to go in your hand. Busy. I'm doing the selection. And after that I can put in the pot, ready to cook and eat. I'm just putting more anointing. I'm touching to put more anointing. I'm just cleaning. The last stage comes to myself before we packaging it. You see, I'm going now. You see what I'm doing? Can we say? Getting clean now. Cleaning. Like Prophet Elijah, stay in the farm to prepare the ground. Because the ground, the last business, this one.